Welcome to a new era in agriculture, a time when laborious and strenuous tasks have become a thing of the past. Farming machinery has revolutionized the industry, bringing remarkable benefits to those engaged in this occupation. Let's start from the first machine. The ideal option for big farms and commercial carrot rovers is the G3B Carrot Harvester by Univerco. It starts by cutting the carrot leaves using a special cutting head. Next, the carrots are lifted from the ground by belts that carry them to cleaning rollers. These rollers remove extra dirt and debris, making the carrots clean and set for storage or further processing. In recent years, precision and uniformity in fertilizing marked the progress in modern agriculture. Advanced machinery, such as the New Holland Blue Power T7200 and the Verviet Sleep Slang Trike, play a significant role in this innovation. A simple design solution has been created to harvest herbs using only cutting blades and conveyors in a harvesting machine. This method provides significantly higher efficiency than manual picking and ensures that the plants are not damaged or crushed during the process. Dynamic scene comes to life in the Netherlands, where four imposing yellow machines gracefully make their way, accompanied by the symphony of powerful engines and descending peaks. Machines are none other than the Plieger Oxbow, the epitome of cutting-edge harvesting technology, embellished with numerous advanced features. They showcase an automatic sorting system, image sensors, and swift cutting heads. Pea harvesting machines are adept at precisely and uniformly harvesting peas. Earlier times, planting rice across expansive fields required manual labor over several days. However, advancements driven by engineer research and application have led to a substantial enhancement in rice planting. Automatic seeding machines now efficiently cover open fields, performing effectively on uneven terrain due to their advanced features. Automated rice seeding machines play a pivotal role in augmenting productivity and efficiency for farmers engaged in rice production. Universal onion digger stands as a tow-behind apparatus. Affixed to a tractor to ensure effortless maneuvering within the field, it features an array of adjustable blades designed to delve into the soil, raising and detaching the onion bulbs from the earth. Consequently, the onions are conveyed along a conveyor belt, where any residual soil or debris is eliminated. Following this, the onions are arranged into windrows for subsequent processing. The machine is a rice transplanter, designed for moving young rice seedlings from a nursery to a rice field. It effectively decreases the need for manual labor during rice cultivation. Using an advanced harvesting machine that swiftly attaches to tree trunks and utilizes vibrations to delicately shake off ripe fruits. This efficient process streamlines fruit collection. Companion machine then uses sweeping and suction to gather the fallen fruits, enhancing productivity and reducing waste in agriculture. Witness how this technology revolutionizes modern farming for optimal yields and resource conservation. Homemade seed planters are crafted using readily available Techniques and materials commonly employed in agriculture and gardening. These tools are adjustable, allowing the depth of the plow or drill to be customized, ensuring precise seed placement at the appropriate depth and position. Once the furrow is established, seeds are carefully positioned within the groove, and the soil is then gently pushed back to cover them. These DIY seed planters can be operated manually by pulling or by hand. The Deco is a small and adaptable machine capable of handling up to 160 lettuce heads in an hour. It's created to effectively take out the lettuce core and slice it into consistent pieces of the wanted size and shape. The machine is user-friendly and can be modified to match each user's particular requirements. A notable characteristic of the Deco 1 is its capacity to minimize the workload. The Closerian 5000 is a versatile snow removal machine designed for efficiently clearing thick layers of snow with a powerful diesel engine, integrated fan, and brush system. It swiftly collects and pushes aside snow from roads, while its maneuverability suits various terrains. This tool is ideal for snow removal personnel to clean different areas effectively. Behold the Crusher, a remarkable industrial machine that impresses with its raw power and handling capabilities, yet its marvel extends beyond strength. The ability to recycle and reuse treated materials holds significant implications for environmental protection and waste reduction. Now, let's introduce the Class Arian 650, a powerful tractor equipped with dual wheels for enhanced traction and weight distribution. With efficient plowing and tilling capabilities, the Class Arian 650 prepares the soil diligently for planting and sowing. The Optimus T22 is a specialized machine that efficiently places bricks, stones, or concrete to craft streets, gardens, and urban areas. Through an advanced system of axles, bending, cutting, and shaping, it accurately arranges materials in specific patterns. As it moves on its wheels, sensors ensure precise brick placement. If a brick is detected as misaligned, the system adjusts it automatically to maintain surface accuracy and uniformity. If you like this video, please give a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching Sharp Tech.